Common mistakes when eating tomatoes and how to avoid them. Did you know that by consuming a food as common as tomatoes, you could be making certain mistakes that are harmful to the body? Indeed, although they are very nutritious, tomatoes hide some peculiarities that, if unknown, can affect health. In this video, we are going to review the most common misconceptions and oversights when eating tomatoes, showing how they can be beneficial or counterproductive if not prepared correctly. I will give you all the information you need to get the most out of them and prevent them from harming you, so don't leave. Also, to not miss any essential recommendations like this one, activate the bell and subscribe to the channel before starting. We'll keep you posted on everything we're planning to help you lead a healthier life. Let's get started. Whether in pasta sauce, a midday salad, or more elaborate recipes, tomatoes have become a mainstay in many kitchens. It is known for its many health benefits. It is a source of potassium, vitamin C, and contains lycopene, a very powerful antioxidant. However, many people are unaware that certain mistakes can be made when eating it, which could cancel out these benefits or even cause negative effects. If you eat tomatoes often, pay attention. Below, I will mention the 7 most common mistakes that are usually made when eating this product. By following these tips, your health will improve considerably, and you will probably change the way you enjoy tomatoes. For starters, the initial mistake is eating them before they are fully ripe, which can be more serious than it seems. Green tomatoes contain a substance called solanine, which is unknown to many people. This natural toxin, also present in potatoes and tomatoes that have not reached maturity, protects the plant from pests and diseases. However, eating them can be harmful to people, causing nausea, stomach pain, and even digestive problems. You've probably noticed that green tomatoes have a firmer texture and a bitter taste. This bitterness indicates that there is a high presence of solanine. As the fruit ripens, the amount of this substance decreases, it softens, becomes sweeter, and takes on a deep red hue. For this reason, whenever possible, choose to eat ripe tomatoes, as this reduces solanine and makes the taste more pleasant. Did you know that there are studies on the antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties of solanine found in green tomatoes? Despite its risks, it plays an interesting role in protecting the plant and, with proper preparation, can have therapeutic purposes. Green tomatoes are still safe to eat, but they should be cooked carefully and in small portions for certain recipes, such as the popular fried green tomatoes. Let's move on to the second mistake, which is removing the seeds from the tomato. Many people do this without even realizing it. Normally, tomatoes are cut and all the seeds are removed before adding them to sauces or salads. There is a belief that seeds can cause stomach upset or be difficult to process, but that is not true. In fact, these seeds provide a large amount of fiber that benefits digestive function and helps process food. They also contain numerous nutrients such as antioxidants, which are essential for defending the body from damage caused by free radicals. It is surprising to know that the lignans present in tomato seeds have been associated with strengthening the immune system and reducing the risk of certain types of cancer. Adding them to your diet has other benefits that you may not know about. Our bodies naturally produce free radicals during metabolism, which is normal. However, an excess of these molecules can damage cells, accelerate aging, and increase the likelihood of developing various diseases. For this reason, removing the seeds throws away a valuable portion of the nutrients that tomatoes provide. Before you remove them the next time you prepare a dish, think about the benefits that including them could offer. The third mistake that many people make for convenience is eating canned tomatoes with preservatives. In the midst of a hectic lifestyle, canned tomatoes represent a quick and practical option, but it is worth remembering that many of these products contain high amounts of sodium and additives such as sodium benzoate, which can be harmful to health, especially if consumed frequently. An obvious example is excessive sodium intake, which can increase blood pressure, a condition that affects many people, especially those who are predisposed to heart problems. Although preservatives are used to extend the shelf life of the product, they can overwhelm the body over time and lead to various disorders. If you must use canned tomatoes, check the labels to choose those with low sodium content and without preservatives. However, whenever possible, it is preferable to opt for fresh tomatoes, as they not only provide more benefits for the body, but also have a more authentic flavor and offer multiple nutrients to recipes. Have you found these tips useful? If so, write the number 1 in the comments. If you already knew, comment with the number 0. Then we will do the count to see how many people found this content useful. Your collaboration is essential so that we can continue creating interesting content like this. Let's keep moving forward. Regarding fresh tomatoes, the 4th mistake is to give up on making homemade tomato sauce. Considering it quicker and easier, many people opt for processed sauces, without realizing that the homemade version is much healthier and also very easy to make. The main drawback of industrial products is that they usually contain sugars, artificial colorings, and preservatives intended to improve both the flavor and the appearance of the product. Making your own tomato sauce not only preserves its nutritional properties, but also allows you to adjust the flavor in a personalized way, creating unique combinations capable of transforming your favorite dishes into authentic masterpieces. At the same time, by making it yourself, you have total control over the ingredients you use. If you use fresh products such as garlic, onion, herbs, and a good olive oil, you will achieve bolder recipes with a higher nutritional value. A practical tip is to prepare enough sauce and store it in the freezer. Thanks to this habit, you will gain important health benefits, such as protecting the cardiovascular system and preventing some types of cancer, including prostate cancer. Keep in mind that lycopene is better absorbed if you consume it with a healthy fat, for example, olive oil. If you usually eat tomatoes in salads without adding oil, you could be missing out on some of the positive effects of this powerful antioxidant. Extra virgin olive oil, being a good quality fat, not only intensifies the assimilation of lycopene, but also provides anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties, as well as helping to reduce LDL cholesterol and increase HDL. So, don't forget to add a splash of olive oil when preparing your tomato salad. This way, in addition to enhancing the flavor, you'll also boost its nutritional benefits. The 6th mistake, which often goes unnoticed, is not washing the tomato properly before eating it. Although it may seem like a minor detail, it is essential, especially if you consume raw tomatoes in salads or other preparations. As with other vegetables, they may contain chemicals that protect their skin or traces of pesticides, as well as dirt or bacteria due to contact with the soil or the transportation and sale process. To ensure that your tomato is ready to eat, wash it thoroughly under the tap while gently rubbing its skin. If you want to further reduce the presence of pesticides, soak it for a few minutes in a solution of water and bicarbonate of soda. And don't forget to always wash it before peeling it, so that dirt or external agents do not pass into the pulp. Finally, the 7th common mistake is eating tomatoes alone. Because of their acidic nature, some people should avoid eating acidic foods without having anything in their stomach, as they could experience heartburn or acidity. To prevent this, it is best to combine them with other foods, such as proteins or carbohydrates, that balance their acidity. For example, you could add lean proteins like tofu or grilled chicken to your salad, or opt for grains like brown rice or quinoa. This will make the tomato easier to digest and reduce the risk of gastrointestinal discomfort. Now that you know these 7 common mistakes, you'll be better prepared to take full advantage of the benefits that tomatoes can bring you. After all, they are an incredible food packed with nutrients that can benefit your health in many ways, as long as you consume them properly. Making small changes to your diet, such as choosing ripe tomatoes, preserving their seeds, making your own sauce, and drizzling olive oil on your salads, can make a big difference. Can you imagine the positive impact such a simple adjustment could have on your body? Remember that eating a healthy diet is essential to enjoying a more balanced and happy life. And many thanks to everyone who has made it this far. Now that you know how to get the most out of tomatoes, tell me, have you ever made any of these mistakes when eating them? Don't forget to leave a comment, share this video with your friends, and tell me what you think. See you next time and take care.